How to get Discord Orbs. If you want to earn Discord Orbs by completing quests, this video will show you how to find available quests and start earning rewards. First, open Discord on your desktop or mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Now, open the Quests section from the Discord interface. Here, you'll find different quests that offer Discord Orbs as rewards. The amount of orbs can vary depending on the quest. Find a quest you want to complete and select Accept Quest to get started. Follow the instructions provided for that specific quest and complete the required tasks. Once you've completed the quest, claim your reward if prompted. Your earned Discord Orbs will then be added to your account and can be used for eligible rewards or features. Keep in mind that available quests and orb rewards can change over time, so check the Quests section regularly for new opportunities. That's how you can get Discord Orbs by completing Discord quests. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more Discord tips and tutorials.